Hi guys, this is Bajol Magpo from MJBMD and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, before we proceed to the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel MJBMD for being updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko sa aking channel guys. This is so really great po talaga guys. And guys, first guys, this design is the industrial concept designs. Talaga naman guys, sobrang natutuwa po talaga ako sa designs na to because this design is so really elegant, aesthetic, luxury, at talaga naman guys, mapapahanga po kayo sa bawat detalye na ginawa ko po dito po sa bahay na ito. So guys, without further ado, let's begin to the tour. So guys, first guys, I will do to show you guys the exterior designs in this house. This is so really beautiful po talaga yung kanyang exterior guys. So check po natin yung kanyang exterior design. So guys, this is the exterior designs that I made. Tingnan nyo naman yung bawat detalye guys. Sobrang nagko-complement po talaga yung kanyang designs guys sa isa't isa. At talaga naman guys, napakaganda talaga, literally beautiful po talaga yung kanyang designs. Talaga namang ako talaga natutuwa po talaga sa mga bawat detalye na nilagay ko. It is a combination of concrete wall finishing materials na may wood textured materials and stone cladding materials. O diba, sobrang ganda po talaga. Then well, it has a combinations din po ng I-beam materials in matte finish block. So, sobrang industrial po talaga yung kanyang concept. Very nice! So guys, I will going to show you guys the garage area, and upon entering your pedestrian gate, it will lead you to your 5-car garage area. Sobrang laki po talaga ng area. Very nice. So, let's check it out, the garage area, guys. So, guys, ito na po yung ating napakaganda, guys, the 5-car garage. This is so really nice. So, guys, the next naman, guys, is yung foyer area. Dito po sa utility area. Tingnan niyo naman, guys. Napakaganda po talaga ng kanyang utility area at super duper luxurious po talaga siya guys. So guys, check po natin ang ating utility area ng bahay na ito. So guys, ito na po yung ating napakaganda guys na foyer area na nearby po sa garage area. The next area naman po is the elevator. Tingnan nyo naman guys, may pa-elevator tong bahay na to. Wala ka doon. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng bahay. Kasi guys, 3 palapag siya, o diba? So para na talaga siyang hotel. Kasi meron siyang elevator from ground floor to 3rd floor. So guys, this is the elevator area. So guys, ito na po yung ating napakaganda guys na elevator na parang hotel guys. Grabe naman tong bahay na to. May pa-elevator siya kasi 3rd floor kasi itong bahay o 3 palapag. So para naman yung bisita is hindi na siya mahirapang bumaba guys. And may elevator na talaga siya na parang sa hotel. Super duper nice. So the next area naman po is the maid's quarter. Bali guys, sobrang ganda po talaga ng layout ng ground floor pa lang kasi lahat talaga ng kailangan nila nandito na po sa baba. And kumbaga kinlose ko po kasi itong buong baba na to para guys sobrang maging maganda talaga yung pasok ng plano. This is so really good idea po talaga na ginawa ko po dito po sa bahay na to. Talaga naman guys, ang ganda talaga guys ang bahay na ito. So guys, check po natin yung maid's quarter area. So guys, ito na po yung ating maid's quarter na sobrang ganda. Modern industrial concept design nga po pala siya. And concrete wall finish materials na po yung kanyang pinaka walls. Kaya po super duper ganda po talaga ng kanyang interior designs. And the next area naman po is yung own toilet and bath po ng maid's quarter. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung bawat detail. Sobrang ganda po talaga. Bali guys, magkakamukha lang po yung mga bathroom dito except lang po talaga sa master's bedroom. Siyempre, iba po yung materials na ginamit doon. And napakaganda po talaga guys ng bahay na ito. This is so really interesting po talaga. And talaga naman guys, napakaganda po talaga ng architectural design sa bahay na ito. So guys, ito na po yung CR guys ng maid's quarter. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang design guys. Apaka-aesthetics po talaga niya kahit CR lang po ng mga maid itong bathroom na to. Tignan nyo naman guys. Apaka-angas. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng design guys sa bahay na ito. So guys, kung may maid's quarter, malamang may driver's lounge na meron ding sariling bathroom. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng design. So magkalapit lang po silang dalawa. This is so really great po talaga. So guys, check po natin yung yung driver's lounge na may sariling bathroom area. So guys, ito na po yung ating napakaganda guys na driver's lounge na may dalawang bunk bed, then concrete wall finish yung buong walls niya, di ba? Super duper elegant po talaga, and talaga naman guys, napakamahal po talaga ng bahay nito kasi guys, mahal po yung concrete wall finish materials, and sa sobrang laki po ng bahay na to, talaga namang sa pintura pa lang, sobrang laki na lang magagastos guys ng may-ari guys ng bahay na ito. So guys, this is the bathroom guys ng driver's lounge. Tingnan niyo naman guys yung kanyang bathroom. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang bathroom at super duper perfect na perfect din po talaga ng kanyang design. Bali guys, yung design po ng ating bathroom guys ay katulad din po ng sa maid's quarter. This is so really great po talaga. Next namang area guys is the napaka-luxurious guys na dirty kitchen. Sobrang laki po talaga ng kanyang dirty kitchen. At talaga naman guys, kumpleto rin po siya kasi meron din po siyang sariling dedicated na CR, and also meron din siyang pantry area. Very nice! So guys, ito na po yung ating napakaganda guys na dirty kitchen. Tingnan niyo naman guys yung kanyang itsura guys. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang itsura, and talaga naman guys, napaka-social po talaga ng kanyang design. Very nice. So guys, in this area naman guys, dito ko po nilagay yung kanyang pinaka function area na nearby sa swimming pool, di ba? Para for example, nagsuswimming sila, so pwede sila dito mag-video, okay? Pwede silang happy dito, and yung ginamit kong tiles dito is yung para siyang kahoy na pwedeng mabasa. Alam niyo yung mga pang restaurants na ang materials niya is mukha siyang yung flooring niya ha. Yung flooring niya mukha siyang kahoy, pero tiles siya na yung may pagka-textured of wood po talaga. Nakakita na po ako in person nun, and sobrang perfect po yung ganong klaseng materials dito po sa ating utility area, and para din po bumagay po sa concept po ng bahay na industrial concept design. And ito na po yung ating napakaganda guys na function area. Sobrang social po talaga, at talaga naman guys, napakaganda po talaga ng kanyang interior, and sobrang social talaga, literally practical po talaga tong space na to. After nyo mag-swimming, dito po kayo pwede mag-video, okay? Dito po kayo pwedeng mag-tambay-tambay po, kaya sobrang ganda po talaga ng design na to. And paglabas guys ng pintuan guys, makikita po natin yung ating napakaganda guys na swimming pool. Sobrang laki po ng kanyang swimming pool, at may napakaganda rin walls dun po sa nearby po ng swimming pool. It's a combination of stone and tiles na parang kahoy, di ba? Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang itsura, at super duper perfect po talaga tong swimming pool na to. This is so really, really luxurious po talaga and mapipil po talaga ng may-ari po or ng magsuswimming po dito po sa bahay na ito yung luxury vibe po ng lugar. O, di ba? Very, very nice! So, this is the swimming pool area na sobrang sosyal. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung combination materials niya. It is a combination of wood tiles, stone cladding, and concrete wall finish materials. Very, very nice. Very, very social. And sobrang laki din po talaga ng ating swimming pool guys. So guys, since meron na or tapos na po tayo sa swimming pool area, nabubulol po ako, sorry. So, the next area naman po is yung kanyang parang pinaka-kubo. So, ang ginawa ko po dito po sa parang kubo po is naglagay po ako ng, alam mo yun, ng isang bubong na nasa, kumbaga, yung pinaka-flooring niya is nakalubog po siya doon po sa, nakalubog po siya doon sa mismong flooring, o di ba? Kaya po sobrang ganda po talaga guys ng ano na to, di ba? Sobrang ganda po talaga ng design and talaga namang sobrang luxurious po talaga yung kanyang design guys, literal guys. So guys, this is the Kubo area or you can tambay-tambay here after nyo mag-swimming guys. If ayaw nyo pumasok sa loob sa mismong function area, di ba? Napakaganda, napaka-accessible and napaka-practical talaga ng space na to. And meron talaga siyang bubong talagang literal na parang kubo talaga siya na sobrang sarap ang inuman dyan with friends and family. This is the shower area kung saan pwede silang maligo dito pagkatapos mag-swimming, o di ba? Maganda rin itong CR na to and talaga namang kompleto talaga itong bahay na to. Literal na kompleto talaga and talaga mapipil talaga ng bisita nyo yung pagka-luxury ng bahay. Talaga sobrang ganda ng detail, the floor plan, the exterior and interior design is so really, really nice po talaga. So guys, this is the shower area guys, o diba? Shower area pa lang ng bahay na ito talaga naman guys, napaka-social na talaga niya at super duper ganda po talaga ng designs na to. And talaga naman guys, yung kanyang materials guys, ang mamahal guys ang bawat fixtures niya kasi yung kanyang shower enclosure pa lang sobrang mahal lang yan. Then yung kanyang pinaka sink sa bathroom guys, hindi yan basta-basta guys, mahal yan guys. Kaya sobrang panalo talaga tong design na to. Very, very luxurious, just like the concept of the house. So guys, this is the second floor of the house and dito po sa second floor guys, first guys, ipapakita ko po sa inyo yung kanyang napakaganda guys na living space area. So this is the living space area na sobrang ganda po talaga ng material siya. It has a combinations of concrete wall finish materials and yung kanyang pinaka-flooring naman po is gray herringbone pattern granite tiles designs. This is so really, really nice combinations po talaga and talaga namang napakaganda po talaga ng bahay na ito kasi yung kanyang pinaka living area is merong napakalaking salamin guys from from flooring to ceiling po yung kanyang taas guys, o diba? Very luxurious, very elegant, and talaga namang parang architect po yung gumawa. And take note lang po, I'm not an architect here, but I'm still capable to do a better job for any architectural designs. Even though I am not an architect, but I'm still doing some stuffs of architectural projects like this. So this is the designs that I made. So first guys, the materials is superb and excellent. The concept is so really, really great po talaga and nag-complement po talaga yung mga materials niya sa isa't isa. So guys, this is the living space area dito po sa second floor. Tingnan nyo naman guys, napaka-social po talaga. Very, very nice talaga naman guys. Mapapawaw talaga yung inyong mga bisita guys kung ganito kaganda yung inyong living space area. Talagang pangmayaman talaga siya guys. And ang lakas talaga ng kanyang dating. and super duper unique po talaga tong bahay na to. Talagang labas pa lang alam mo na luxurious yung bahay. So guys, in this area guys, magkakaroon na po ng ultimate experience po, private experience po yung mga bisita nyo kasi yung this dining area is closed po siya. So this is the dining room kasi meron po siyang mga pintuan, so naka-enclose po siya. So napakaganda din, meron din po itong access sa kanyang balcony. O diba, very nice! So guys, ito na po yung ating napakaganda guys at napaka-elegante guys na dining area. Tingnan nyo naman guys ang kanyang dining room. Sobrang social. It has access at the balcony. So sobrang nice po talaga ng ginawa ko po ditong idea na i-connect siya sa balcony. So after nilang kumain, pwede silang mag-chill guys sa balcony. O diba? Very nice and practical and good idea. Tapos na tayo sa dining room area. So next naman is yung kanyang napakagandang kitchen area. This kitchen area has a very good size po talaga. Malaki siya, may island counter, kompleto po talaga siya. And talagang kakaiba po talaga yung kanyang concept guys. Super duper ganda po talaga ng kanyang designs. And the granite tiles, the countertop, superb and excellence po talaga. So this is the kitchen area na sobrang ganda, sobrang social, and kompleto talaga siya guys ng gamit. Literally, talaga naman guys, kung ganito kaganda at kalaki ang kusina nyo, talaga namang hindi ko na alam kung tatamarin pa kayong magluto guys, kasi sobrang social talaga ng kitchen na ito. The next naman guys is yung kanyang pinaka pantry area. So may pantry area din po dito po sa second floor. O di ba? Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang pantry area at talaga naman guys, tingnan niyo naman guys, o di ba? Ang dami niyo po talaga mailalagay po dito po sa pantry area nito. And sa pantry area guys, naglagay po ako dito ng para siyang shelves cabinet na pero hindi po siya built-in para naman di ba? Mas aesthetic siyang tingnan. So it has a combination of metal and wood po yung kanyang pinaka-pantry cabinet, o diba? Para naman napakaganda. And kakaiba rin yung maging itsura niya guys. And bumagay po talaga siya sa materials na red bricks. So this is the pantry area guys ng bahay na ito. Sobrang laki talaga ng kanyang pantry area. Talaga namang literal guys na lahat talaga ng grocery nyo kasyang-kasya dito. Mga bigas, mga sukal, para na kayo may sari-sari store po dito po sa pantry area na to. And sobrang social din po talaga ng kanyang itsura. And the next area naman po is yung kanyang napakaganda guys na bar area. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang bar area and super duper cozy rin po ng kanyang concept. This is so really nice. So guys, this is the bar area or bar counter ng bahay na ito na connected sa large or main kitchen and connected din sa inyong pantry area. O diba? Very nice! And guys, the next naman guys is yung kanyang ensuite toilet and bath. So this is a ensuite toilet and bath dito po sa second floor. O diba? Very beautiful, luxury, and look how beautiful the materials is. Talaga naman guys, sobrang ganda po talaga. Pag ganito kaganda yung inyong CR guys, talaga namang hindi na talaga kayo tatamaring maligo guys. And this is the ensuite toilet and bath ng bahay na ito. Pakaangas, sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang itsura at super duper perfect talaga ng kanyang interior. Bali, simple but elegant, simple but malakas ang dating. So guys, we are now here at the third floor of the house. So first area naman po dito po sa third floor is yung kanyang stairs area. So this is the stairs area guys na napakaganda. Tingnan nyo naman guys yung kanyang detalye guys. Pagkaangas. Sobrang lupit po talaga ng kanyang pinaka stairs area at super duper ganda po talaga ng combination materials niya. It has stone, na white bricks and also wooden tiles. Then, real wood naman po yung kanyang ceiling doon po sa gitna na may cove lightings, o diba? Maganda yan sa gabi, guys. This is so really, really great po talaga. And this is the stairs area dito po sa tatlong palapag ng bahay, o diba? Sobrang social talaga naman, guys. Napakaliwanag talaga ng bahay na ito kasi sobrang laki po talaga ng salamin na to from second floor to third floor, o diba? Very useful and talaga namang maliwanag, elegante, at pagbigay talaga siya ng luxury vibe sa bahay. The next area naman po is yung first bedroom dito po sa third floor. So, this is the first bedroom, guys. O, diba? Ang ganda po talaga ng kanya itsura at super duper lupit po talaga ng bahay na to. At talaga naman, guys, napaka-elegant niya and super ganda din po ng kanyang mga materialis na ginamit po talaga sa kanya. Then, may cove lighting po. Lahat po ng kwarto dito is magkakamukha lang po sila. So, lahat po sila is may wooden ceiling, then cove lightings din po. So, this is the first bedroom dito po sa tatlong palapag ng bahay. Tingnan nyo naman, guys, para talaga siyang hotel. Sobrang social. And bali yung kanyang ceiling nga po pala is real wood materials with a cove lighting. And napakaganda, guys, sa chandelier with golden hardware, o diba? Sobrang ganda and talaga namang pag ganito kaganda yung inyong kwarto, talagang sobrang hotel vibe and sobrang liwanag din po talaga ng kwarto na to kasi, guys, dalawa yung kanyang bintana, guys, sa side by side and talaga namang ang kanyang pinaka flooring is gray herringbone pattern design, which is, guys, nag-complement po talaga siya sa kanyang concrete wall finish materials. Next is the second bedroom of the house. So, this is the second bedroom, guys. Ang ganda talaga, guys, ang second bedroom, guys. So, guys, check po natin tong second bedroom na to. So, this is the second bedroom of the house, guys, na may napakagandang ceiling with a cove lighting and real wood po yung kanya ceiling, o diba? Very, very nice. And di isa lang po yung interior po na lahat po ng kwarto na yung ng bahay na ito. Kaya po super duper ganda po talaga nila lahat pareho. And lahat po ng kwarto na ito para talagang naka-check-in kasi isang 5-star hotel. Next is yung pinaka third bedroom dito po sa taas. So, di ba, ang daming kwarto. So, this is the third bedroom na may access sa balcony. This is so really, really great po talaga. Tingnan niyo naman, guys, kung gaano kaganda yung kanyang detalye, guys. Talaga namang kung ganito kaganda yung kwarto, hindi na kayo lalabas, guys, ng bahay kasi ang ganda po talaga ng kanyang interior and yung datingan niya pang mayaman talaga. So, guys, this is the third bedroom ng bahay. O, diba? Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang bedroom and sabi ko po kanina sa inyo na pare-parehas lang po yung design, guys, ng lahat, guys, ng kwarto. And lahat sila sobrang gaganda talaga, literally. The next area naman ay papakita ko sa inyo yung ensuite toilet and bath po sa third floor. So, this is the ensuite toilet and bath. Ang ganda po talaga ng kanya itsura. Super duper luxurious po talaga and para talaga siya yung mga bathroom, guys, sa hotel. Ganun po siya, guys, gaganda, guys. Sobrang ganda, sobrang lupit at sobrang luxurious po talaga niya. So, guys, this is the ensuite toilet and bath dito po sa third floor, di ba? Napakaganda po talaga niya. Bali, ang kanyang pinaka-walls naman na ginamit dito is hexagonal pattern designs na kulay puti. Then, sobrang ganda talaga. Tingnan mo naman yung corner glass. Oh, guys, ang mamahal ng fixtures na yan. Talagang malulula kayo talaga sa presyo niyan. Sobrang mahal. Lalo na yung glass na corner glass. Na top glass yung kanyang ginamit. O, di ba? Berber Hotel. And talaga naman, guys, sobrang lupit talaga ng bahay na ito with a cove lighting and real wood ceiling. So, guys, next area naman po na ipapakita ko sa inyo, guys, is yung kanyang fourth bedroom. This is the fourth bedroom, guys. O, diba? Meron din siyang access sa balcony. Parang sa last na pinakita ko sa inyo yung rooms. Last rooms, ayan. So, this is the fourth bedroom. Oops. Ayan siya guys, so diba? Tingnan nyo naman guys, kung gaano siya kaganda guys. Very nice, very luxurious, and talaga naman guys, maasahan nyo po talaga yung kanyang interior designs. Talagang sobrang liwanag din po nito kasi meron po siyang bintana guys sa gilid guys. O diba, sobrang ganda po talaga niya guys. So this is the fourth bedroom ng bahay guys. Tingnan nyo naman guys, sobrang lakas po talaga ng kanyang dating guys, and lakas po talaga maka-luxury ng bahay na ito. Sobrang ganda, sobrang elegant yung kama niya, sobrang ganda ng choice of furniture niya, and talaga naman towards po talaga siya sa windows, kaya po super duper liwanag po talaga ng bahay na ito, and this room has access to its own balcony. And lastly, sa mga kwarto is pang fifth bedroom, which is the master's bedroom. Ayan siya guys. Ito po yung pinakamaganda guys at pinakamalaki po sa lahat ng mga kwarto po dito po sa bahay na to. And napakataas po ng kanyang ceiling. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang materials. Herringbone pattern design yung kanyang tiles, of course, sa lahat. And then, concrete wall finish. Ayan, may cladding pa with a combination of stone cladding. This is so really beautiful po talaga. And lastly, this is the master's bedroom with a combination of concrete wall finish, stone cladding, wood cladding accent walls, and also it has a gray herringbone pattern designs for the flooring. Napakataas po talaga ng kanyang ceiling guys, at super duper luxurious po talaga, and talaga naman guys, mapipil niyo po talaga yung kanyang pagka-luxury. Then guys, this master's bedroom has a own walk-in closet, and it has a own very luxurious and big bathroom. So guys, ang ipapakatulong ko naman po sa inyo is yung walk-in closets po ng master's bedroom, which is this is the master's walk-in closet, o diba? Ito lang po yung may walk-in closet po sa lahat po ng mga kwarto dito po sa bahay na ito. Tingnan nyo naman guys, although hindi siya ganun kalakihan, L-type po siya kasi the next area naman po is yung kanyang pinaka master's toilet and bath naman po na connected po sa walk-in closet, o diba? Very nice! So this is the walk-in closet guys. So lahat talaga ng mga luxury items nyo, kasyang-kasya dito sa kanyang mga cabinets dito sa walk-in closet, o diba? Very social. And talaga naman guys, napaka-elegant talaga ng bahay na ito. Sobrang practical lang kanyang floor plan. Talaga namang wala talaga sinayang na space sa kanya. And this is the last area po ng bahay. Ay, may balcony pa pala mamaya. So this is the master's toilet and bath. So this is the master's toilet and bath guys, na sobrang hotel vibe, literal guys, na hotel vibe po talaga. Tingnan naman guys kung gaano siya ganda guys, pakaangas. Sobrang ganda po talaga ng kanyang design at super duper nakakaengganyo po talaga yung kanyang design, and talagang kakaiba po talaga yung kanyang interior design. This is the master's toilet and bath with a corner glass shower. It has a own bathtub and the vanity sink, o diba? Then naka-cove lighting and real wood ceiling din po siya. Kaya po super duper ganda din po talaga niya. And yung kanyang walls is the marble walls na super duper social po talaga, and yun po yung karaniwang ginagamit po sa mga social na bathroom. And lastly, this is the balcony guys ng master's bedroom. Tingnan nyo naman guys, pakaangas, sobrang ganda po talaga at sobrang lupit po talaga ng kanyang concept guys. With glass railings pa po siya. This is so really beautiful po talaga guys. Very nice! So this is the very luxurious balcony. So you can chill here, you can, diba? tumambay dito sa balcony na to pagka gusto mo mag-isip-isip, gusto mo talagang magpahangin, perfect na perfect po talaga dito. And pwede ka rin maglagay dito ng tables na may umbrella para diyan ka magkakape, o diba? Sobrang social, sobrang elegant, and sobrang peaceful talaga ng balcony na yan. Thank you so much guys for watching guys, and talaga naman guys, sobrang ganda po talaga ng designs na to guys. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, MJBMD. And again, this is Joel Magboho, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life. Design your life!